Before relationships break in real life, they often break on paper first. Many relationship problems are never spoken out loud. They don't always show up in arguments or fights. They quietly appears in how a person is writing or signing. Today we will discuss the relationship issues in terms of graphology, and we will discuss that what kind of signatures and handwritings actually shows that you are going through bad relationships. Graphology suggests that your emotional trauma, your emotional patterns, control issues, anger issues, and your unresolved hurt actually shows up in your handwriting, like broken strokes, uneven pressure patterns, shrinking letters or distorted signatures, or unclear handwriting or signature. In this video, I am going to talk about 6 signatures that actually shows that you have relationship issues and how you can change them. So the first type of sign that shows relationship issues is when you are cutting your lower zone. This is never good. Never use it. First of all, you need to understand that the lower zone in the handwriting and the signature represents your relationships. So when a person is cutting the lower zone in the signature like this, it shows relationship issues. It shows your past. It shows your lower body, and it shows your materialistic desires. Also, when in the handwriting the lower zone is not formed properly like this. This is proper formation of the lower zone in YGJ. This loop has to be there and it has to be balanced. It should not be too overly large or it should not be shrinked, because in both the cases it will create relationship issues and also trust issues and past thinking. If your lower zone is open like this, it will show past thinking and trust issues, low money management, everything. So please make your lower zone completely right if you want your relationships and money to be good. Second type of sign or handwriting you can say is when your letters are actually tilted towards the left side. Left slant is never good. It shows insecurities, it shows trust issues, it shows less interest in relationships, and also it shows hidden emotions. You can say ki, this kind of people are actually not expressive of their emotions ever. So relationships cannot be made perfectly with this, right? If you really want your relationship to be good, you need to be expressive to the partner and others as well. So when left slant handwriting is there, it actually causes relationship issues. So never use this kind of handwriting in your life, and also the sign should not be tilted towards the left side too much. This shows a very non-sociable person, and this person also wants to be isolated in their life. Third type of trait in signature or handwriting is also very similar, and it is right slant. Slant in the handwriting or the signature actually shows the emotional patterns you have, but when it is tilted towards the right side, it shows that this person is not emotionally stable. These people want someone else's emotional support in their life. They are very sensitive. They are reactive as well. And slight right is okay, but if it is too much tilted towards the right side, like in this case, this is not good. So even if you are having a right slant, it has to be slightly tilted towards the right side. If it is too much tilted, then it will make you over emotional. And over emotional people also lose their relationships because of the reactiveness they have. So they are good in relations, but too much tilt is never good. So keep your slant in sign and handwriting to straight or slightly right. The next type of signature is very common and very negative for the relationships. Whenever there is a merging of letters, please listen carefully. Whenever there is a merging of letters, when you merge your name initial and your surname initial, or any two letters in your name or your surname in your signature, not in handwriting, in your signature, this will definitely cause divorce in your life. Relationship issues will always be there, but this may lead to divorce as well. The merging of letters in the signature shows resentment. If you are merging your name initial and your surname initial, the name initial represents you and the surname initial represents your family, your father, your parents, or your partner in particular. So if you are merging both these letters in your signature, you are inviting troubles in your relationships. You should never merge two letters in your sign. If you are using this type of sign, please write the name initials or your name or surname separately. The next type of sign is also similar to this. When you are cutting your whole surname, this also shows that you have resentment for your family. You will have family issues. You will have issues with your partner. Also, this will also lead to divorce. So you need to avoid cutting your surname. What happens when you cut your name in the sign? I've already discussed this in another video and the link is in the description, and it discusses all the types of signatures that cause depression in you. Actually, that video is also related to this video because those signs are also responsible for the relationship issues as well. So you can check that as well. The last signature type is repeated from that video because this type of sign actually causes depression as well as relationship issues. So the last type of sign is when you are putting two dots in between the name initials and the surname. As I already discussed in that video, the two dots in the name initial, between the name initial or between the sign, shows that you are creating a barrier between yourself, your family and your partner. So whenever you put a dot in the signature, it shows that you are creating a barrier subconsciously. You are just trying to be distant from your partner, which is also a very bad trait. You should never have this. So not only that will cause depression, that will also cause relationship issues and physical health issues. So be very careful that you don't do any kind of mistake like that. I recommend that you should not use any extra dot in your signatures. So these were some of the signatures that actually shows that you may have relationship issues, and if you are using any of these signatures and you relate to the traits, please comment below so that others also know that this is very relatable and they should use a good signature for themselves. Also, if you want to learn signature analysis, you can WhatsApp me on this number, and if you want your signature analysis or correction, you can WhatsApp me for that as well. If you like this video, then I'm going to come up with some more videos like this with some more insights about your handwriting and your signatures. Please subscribe the channel so that you don't miss any of the updates. Stay aligned. See you in the next video.